Hi, I'm Chubby D and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe and become part of the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post. Today's video, we are installing this hair. So let's get straight into the video. The hair came in this bag and I love it because it is reusable, and probably you were swimming or at the beach, you can just shove your hair in this so that it doesn't get your other clothes wet. Inside we have the units, and then we have the hair nets and this hairband. So inside it has these three combs, and then it also has the adjustable straps just in case the wig is huge for your head. It is soft. Yeah, so far I don't see any shading, so we're just installing it straight out of the box. Let's just do it. Because I don't know how to bleach the knots, I'm just going to do the foundation method. So I'm done applying foundation and I did a little mess, but we're gonna fix that. Into my plan. So let's just install this wig. So I'm taking my got to be and you don't really need to do this, but yeah, if you're going to the streets of Johannesburg, then you gotta do this because the wig snatchers there. Hey, yeah, didn't I? While I'm waiting for this hair to lay, I'm gonna straighten it. So I'll be using my new babe here. If you haven't watched my video while I unbox this straightener, I'll link it on the cards. Guys, I'll try straightening this hair off camera. I'll be back.
5 minutes later.
And then for flyaways, I will use this mousse. Not a lot. And then here, if you have a hot comb, then you can do with the hot comb. But in my hair, I don't have. I don't. This is the final look, and I am happy because some of the things, it's my first time doing them, like straightening a bob. I'm used to straight hair. You just straighten up, down, not this thing you cover here and all those things. But I'm happy with what I have done. And right now, let's get to the specs of this hair. This hair is from JAYCEEHAIR, 4x4 Brazilian closure, 150 density, and this is 12 inches. So be happy, guys. I am really happy. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below the kind of videos that you really want to see. Most importantly, follow me on all my social media platforms. Bye.